We've seen how to read characters from a file. Now let's look at how to write characters to a file. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a very simplistic backup program that will read characters from one file and then write them to the other file and store that second file as a backup. So we'll start out by creating a couple of paths for file names. We'll use the file we used last time, chars.txt, as our main file. And then we'll call the backup file chars.bak. Then we need a stream reader object and a stream writer object. Okay. We need a char variable to store the character as it's read in. Pull my screen up a little bit. And then we'll do an initial read before the loop and read one character from the original file. And then we'll say while infile.peak is not equal to -1. Write that character out. So the way we write out a character is with the write method. I think you probably figured that out by now. And then read another character. And that's it. Close the files. Oh, I see what's wrong. Can't forget those parentheses. Okay, let's go up here. Let's open a DOS window, clear the screen, make sure our file exists. Okay, so there's our file, chars.txt. We'll come back to that as soon as we run the program. Let's add finished so we'll know when we're finished, although it's going to be so fast you won't even notice the program ran. Like that. So let's bring our DOS window back up, and this time let's type out :/data/chars.bak, and there's the file. So writing characters to a file simply involves calling the write method on your output file object. In this case it was outFile. And we saw last time and in this lesson also that reading just involves the read method. So those are, combined with appending text and writing text and reading text, the major ways to do text file processing in C#. So now we're ready to move to the exercises for this chapter, where we're going to build a to-do list program using the techniques we've learned in this chapter.